Okay, are you a content creator and you want to monetize your page, or you are intending to become a content creator and you want to monetize your Facebook or YouTube or any social media account, and you need tax identification number in order to achieve that? Now you have to watch this video to know how to get tax identification number in Nigeria easily instead of paying somebody to do it for you. So what you will do, first step, there's a URL I'm showing on the screen now. Just look at this URL, then open your Chrome browser or Firefox, any of the browser you have in your phone. Just open it. Once you open it, then type the URL you are seeing on the screen now. After typing it, then you click go. If you click go, this screen will show. You see this place I circled with a red. That is where you will click if you are an individual. You want to use your name to be receiving the money, because somehow you need a dollar account, and getting a dollar account for registered business might be difficult for you. So you click individual. Make sure your Facebook name bears the name you want to be using in receiving your money. Then your bank account name will match it as well. Your Facebook name should match it. Your fan page can be any name, but your real name, your profile name, should match your Facebook. Should match your bank account. Now, that's how it is. Then the next step. Now you have selected individual, but you can still register as a business if you like. You have selected individual. Now you now come to this screen you are seeing now. You fill in your details. After filling in your details in this screen you are seeing now, then you proceed. But at times it might be that you have registered, might be that you have a tax identification number, but you don't know. Most people, they have tax identification number, they don't know. The cause is that maybe they have registered their business in CAC before and they gave them tax identification number, so they don't know. But why you still need to generate it now is that Facebook, they want to see that certificate that your name is actually there. Your name should appear in the certificate. So you use this site to generate the certificate. Once you generate the certificate, then you will see the tax identification number there. If you enter your details, if you have tax identification number before, it will tell you that you have tax identification number. It will show. Then you now click on verify to get the tax identification number. Just enter your details again, maybe BVN and all that, your date of birth and BVN. Your tax identification number will now appear. You use the tax identification number, then you click on download. To get either you screenshot it or you download it, so you can now use it for your monetization. The number of the the tax identification number will be there. Just the certificate will just be like this that I'm showing you on your screen. So what you have to do, share this video so that you can keep it on your timeline and all that, or for your friends as well to benefit from it. Then if you want me to drop another video on how to monetize your page, in case your page have not been monetized or your page is having issues, you want me to tell you how to resolve those issues, you type I'm interested on the comment section. So I'm interested, then I will now teach you for free. They collect money in teaching all these things, but I can teach you for free. So type I'm interested for me to send you a link to learn that.